This is a little trail to the lake. Not real sure if I need to video this. I might run out of space on my phone here, but just to give you an idea, we'll see how far we can go with it. This is a community trail. The other folks down here use this from time to time, but it's mainly a dirt. You can see it's a fairly wide dirt path going down through here. You can walk down through here or take a four-wheeler, mountain bike if you're into that sort of thing. This lot's in a town called Jabez. And it's about 25 or 30 minutes west of Somerset, which is the bigger town down here around Lake Cumberland. It's got a lot of nice, Somerset has a lot of nice restaurants and shops and that sort of thing. But this Jabez is a little bit more secluded. You have there's a gas station with a general store in it down here. They have a nice little restaurant, small kind of thing, but it's what I like. I like to be kind of out of the way of all the people. Where we're at here, this is off of John's Road in the Owl Hollow subdivision, which is right off of Cave Springs Road, which is on the way to Wolf Creek Marina, which is a fairly new marina they've got. It's about 3 miles from this lot. So you can drive down there and take your boat or rent a boat down there, whatever you want to do. It's pretty nice. There's a little restaurant down there as well. I actually haven't been to it yet, but family members said it was nice. They have houseboats and it's pretty big marina. Then there's ramps, other boat ramps all over the place here in Jabez. Within a few miles, you've probably got 10 ramps around here if you like different locations to put your boat in, different areas of the lake. Like I say, we're on Wolf Creek here. Wolf Creek section, which Wolf Creek Marina is on there, and I think Alligator 2 or Alligator 1, one of those is still on Wolf Creek. It's just a nice little trail to the lake. Goes down a little bit of a hill. Pretty easy walking. Of course, I'm kind of out of shape, so I might get out of breath here. I gotta say the video is probably pretty shaky because I'm walking. I hope it's not giving you a headache, making you seasick. I like this location down here because, as you saw, we had a pretty good lake view up there. And then you can also get right down to the lake from your lot. You know, walking this little trail. Kind of a rare thing to find. I think this trail, I measured it before, but to be honest, I kind of forget how long it was, but I'm pretty sure it's about 300 yards or so from the lot to the lake, somewhere around there. I also like it because there's not a lot of people down here. There's about 10, maybe 10 residences up there. Some of them are permanent residents, and some of them are just vacationers, you know. I don't know if you can tell, we're walking down a little bit of a hill here. It's not too much, too bad. As I said earlier, this would be a perfect spot to bring a four-wheeler down. I've never brought one down. I have one of those UTVs. It won't fit on my trailer, so I haven't brought it down here yet. Hopefully I have enough memory on my phone to show you the lake down here. Getting very close. I'm going to try to take some pictures and put them up online as well. I'm not real sure how well this video will turn out. See, we're getting close to the lake here. I don't know if you like hiking and nature, this is the place to be. It's beautiful. I'm here in, this is October 11th, I think, or something like that. You can see the leaves some of the leaves have fallen. Here in a few weeks, the colors on the leaves will be outstanding. I always like to come down here and just kind of look at the leaves, you know. Now you can see there, that's a community boat dock. There are some slips there, as you can see, but I think you have to get on a waiting list to acquire one of those. I don't know. That ramp there, that's accessible from a different road off of Cave Springs Road. So I'll try to get a little bit closer down here to the lake. Get to my fishing spot. See, there's some dudes fishing over there. Like I said, that's Wolf Creek. Back in here, and we're up in a little cove. There's a